Boy, it's a beautiful day out here. I'm going to tell you guys real quick the importance of you dispatchers out there, especially you guys who aspire to become dispatchers and start your own dispatching company or you owner-operators.
Where you at? This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties pulling up, giving knowledge, that's what's up. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties pulling up, giving knowledge, that's what's up. Hot shots stay ready to book a load. Many moves with truck scene.
See good?
All right, good.
All righty. Y'all have fun.
I'll bring it back.
All right.
Get some rest.
All right. Thanks, man.
There isn't any traffic. Moving quick and strategic, gotta secure the package. Gotta take it and make it more than what it's worth. I came up from the bottom, used to be in the dirt. Self-made and doing things extraordinary. Going lateral and vertical is more than scary. Self-made, doing things extraordinary. Generational wealth accumulated before I'm buried. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties pulling up, giving knowledge, that's what's up. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties pulling up, giving knowledge, that's what's up.
CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.
Big salute to all of my veterans out here. Big shout out to all of my subscribers. Man, like I tell you guys, I can't go a video without showing my appreciation. I'm out here right now on a rocking chair, staying in the barn right now here in Georgia, Union Point, Georgia to be exact, too. So I'm out here, man. I'm gonna tell y'all like this. I'm out here on this little patio. I'm injured. I injured myself yesterday trying to ride a gas dirt bike for the first time. And I'm talking about this was my first time riding a gas dirt bike. I didn't rode a motorcycle, but never a gas dirt bike. Me and my son being riding those electric dirt bikes, right? So, I'm out here at the dirt bike resort, Durham Town Off-Roading Resort. I believe that's the name of it. Durham Town Off-Roading Resort down here. Hey, how you doing? So, I got my son this four-wheeler. I bought him that four-wheeler. And I came up here to rent a gas dirt bike. And I'm telling y'all, man, I wasn't on that gas dirt bike no more than 5 minutes before I said, "Ying!" and lost control. Man, I'm telling y'all, I hurt myself pretty bad yesterday, too. My foot's still swollen. I got ice on it. I had a real deep cut that wouldn't stop bleeding. And I had to go to the hospital to go get me some stitches, too, because it wouldn't stop bleeding. I'm telling y'all, I ain't never really injured myself this bad, and it still really ain't that bad. But this about one of my worst injuries right here, where I can't even really walk. So I'm out here right now, dirt bike resort. Out here, it's kind of like camping too. We back here, old barn. And I believe the dirt bike business just bought up all of these acres of farmland and they kept a bunch of, you know, like right there, that house been up here for a long time. This barn has been here for a long time. So they bought this land right here, farmland, and then they made the barn, another barn next to us. They have cabins here. You know, they make it definitely comfortable. It's kind of like you camping in a way, but I feel like I'm camping in style right now, you know, because me and my son already been camping, staying out there in that tent. It was cool. It was way better than being out in the field in the Army training. So staying in that tent was definitely better. You know, I guess what we go through in life and our experiences, that's what's always going to determine basically how well of an experience you're going to experience. I don't know if that makes sense. But anyway, I'm out here, man. And I just had to put this video out there, man, to you guys, because I'm out here on this patio right now. I'm injured. And I'm telling y'all, man, you don't want to get injured when you're supposed to be out there having fun, riding on them dirt bikes and four-wheelers and side-by-sides and just having a good off-roading experience here at this resort. It's over 2,000 acres, too. 2,000 acres. Pure resort. Dirt bike tracks everywhere. Dirt bike trails everywhere. So I'm out here on this patio, man, and I'm just like, it could be worse. My son out there having fun right now. He's actually riding with a gentleman that I just met that's staying down in his house. Him and his family just got here yesterday. And I went over, introduced myself, met him, and said, man, do you mind if my son ride around with y'all today? You know, I'm hurt. Real cool guy. He actually got a side-by-side. So he was like, yeah, man, your son can ride with me right now. And then when we come back, your son could jump on his four-wheeler and follow us. So today I'm going to be out of commission. Hopefully tomorrow I can at least go ride me a four-wheeler or something. So like I'm telling you guys, man, I'm out here supposed to be having fun, but unfortunately I cannot have fun. But I'm still enjoying the moment. I'm still appreciative. Man, and I'm telling y'all, when you put it in your mind that it's about right now, what's going on right now, forget tomorrow. What's going on in your world right now? And can you fully enjoy it? Man, I'm chilling. I'm a peaceful guy too. And it ain't nobody out here. I'm one of them guys that if I'm in a crowd too long, oh man, it just drains me. And I'm ready to go. Give me about 2 hours max in the crowd. And I'm going to be ready to go. Maybe not even that. Maybe 20 minutes. And I'm ready to go. But I'm enjoying just being out here right now. It is peaceful. I'm talking about I'm still just hearing little bugs. Like how you hear at night. Peaceful. Too. So I'm going to enjoy this moment. Got this ice on my leg right now. Wait till my son get back to just hear his story too. That's what I'm excited for. I'm excited for my son to come back so he could tell me his story riding in a side-by-side. I never even rode in one of them either. I'll probably have the gentleman that I met take me out on his. Just like how he just took my son out too. And that's why life is amazing. I'm telling you.
Right here.
like you just got to create your own life too. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. I'm telling you. So, I think I'm going to get back to relaxing though. You know, I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to hear me keep going on and on, but I'm telling y'all, you got to enjoy right now. I don't care what type of situation you are in. You got to enjoy it. I'm telling you. And as long as you guys are enjoying your situation, I feel life just be more and more and more amazing and beautiful too. Because life is supposed to be amazing. Life is supposed to be beautiful. Life is not supposed to be stressful and you're not supposed to be depressed. Those are just words that somebody basically said, okay, stressful means this. Depression means this. And now the world believes that's what it is. But everything, like I tell you, it's all in your mind too. Everything is in your mind. I'm out here, man. I am not complaining too. All day yesterday when I hurt myself and I was kind of in pain, I don't want nobody to feel sorry for me either. You know, I'm just telling you guys my story. So I was all in pain and I still just sat out here like how I'm doing right now. I'm talking about foot bleeding bad too. And it's still bleeding, even though they didn't got me right. But they said it's gonna leak a little bit and it's still going. But I was just out here sitting like this, watching my son ride that four-wheeler yesterday. Just still trying to live in the moment. And then I told him, all right, son, it's over. Let's go ahead and hit this doctor and get stitched up. You know? And now I'm out here right now. I can't wait till I hear that 4x4 engine coming up so I could capture my son's reaction and let my son tell me a good story about how he just got done riding on a side-by-side. Did I say a 4x4 or a side-by-side? I don't know. I think it's called a side-by-side. Let my son tell me his story, you know, so I could get inspired. I'm telling you, that's what it's about. It's about other people telling you their amazing experiences and stories so that you could get inspired. I'm ready to get inspired. I'm telling y'all, yesterday I couldn't even stand up on this foot. I couldn't apply no pressure. Woo! I'm telling you, I'm ready to go walk straight out there, go get my helmet, and just walk straight out there on that side by side and say, man, take me for a ride now. I could ride in that all day. But I can't ride no gas dirt bike right now, but I'm going to tell y'all like this. I'm going to be riding me a gas dirt bike once my foot heal up because I learned my lesson. And I know how to jump back on there. I ain't gonna go like this. I ain't gonna do that again. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.